Did you know you can actually make real money just by copying and pasting? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's true, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. This isn't some shady trick or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate method you can start today, even if you're a complete beginner. No followers, no fancy setup, no money needed. If you can copy and paste, you're already qualified. Let's start. So what's this all about? We're talking about affiliate marketing. But wait, don't get scared off by that term. This version of affiliate marketing is extremely beginner-friendly. No need to build a website, no ads, and no complex funnels. Here's how it works. You're going to copy content that's already been created for you, literally copy, and paste it online in places where people are already looking for help. Inside that content, you'll include your affiliate link. If someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Simple as that. Step 1. Pick a high-converting affiliate product. Start by going to affiliate marketplaces like clickbank.com or dgstore24.com. These platforms are filled with thousands of digital products you can promote, and they're free to join. Once you've created an account, browse through popular categories like health and fitness, make money online, relationships and dating, personal development. Choose a product that offers a high commission rate. Look for anything 50% and above. Ideally, pick something that's already selling well and has a good reputation. Once you find a product, click Promote to get your unique affiliate link. This link is what tracks your referrals and gets you paid. Step 2. Copy done-for-you promotional material. Here comes the best part. Most of these affiliate products have something called an affiliate resources page. This is where the product owner gives you everything you need to promote it: pre-written content, email templates, social media posts, banners, articles, you name it. These resources are written by professional copywriters and designed to convert. You don't have to write a single word from scratch. Just copy the parts that make sense for you and keep them handy. For example, if you're promoting a fitness product, you might get access to answers for common weight loss questions or health-related blog posts. That's the material you'll be using. Step 3. Paste your content where people are asking questions. Next, you'll paste that copied content online, but not just anywhere. You want to go where people are already asking questions and looking for help. The best places to start are Quora. People ask thousands of questions daily. Reddit. Find niche subreddits related to your product. Facebook groups, active communities around every topic. Twitter/X, join threads or reply with helpful content. YouTube comments, people often ask for resources. Now here's the key, don't spam. You're not just dumping a link. You're adding value by sharing useful, relevant content. At the end of your message, you naturally include your affiliate link. Example, if someone on Quora asks, "What's the best way to lose weight at home?" You can copy a response from your affiliate resources and add something like, "Actually, I came across a 21-day plan that's super beginner-friendly. It helped me lose 10 pounds without going to the gym. Here's the link if you want to check it out." Your affiliate link. And that's it, you've just done affiliate marketing. Let's walk through a real example so you can see how simple this process actually is. Suppose you've signed up on ClickBank and chosen a popular product called the Smoothie Diet. It's a digital product that helps people lose weight using smoothie recipes, and it pays around $25 to $40 per sale. After grabbing your unique affiliate link, you head over to the product's affiliate resources page. There, you find a ready-made promotional paragraph that says, "This smoothie program helped me drop weight without skipping meals or counting calories. It's simple, quick, and loaded with recipes anyone can make. You can check it out here." Your link? Now, imagine you're in a Facebook group focused on healthy eating or home workouts. Someone posts, "Any easy diet tips that actually work? I'm tired of strict meal plans." Instead of writing something from scratch, you copy the pre-written content and paste it as a comment, making sure it sounds friendly and helpful. You could even tweak it slightly to make it more personal, because your reply is relevant, useful, and doesn't scream sales pitch. People are likely to click your link. When they buy, you earn a commission. How much can you actually earn? Let's talk numbers. Most affiliate products on ClickBank or Digistore24 offer $20 to $100 per sale. Some even offer recurring commissions, meaning you keep earning every month if the customer keeps using the product. Now imagine this. Just one sale per day equals $600 to $3,000 plus per month. Even 3 sales a week equals $300 to $1,000 per month. And remember, you're not running ads or spending hours editing videos. You're spending 20 to 30 minutes per day copying and pasting helpful answers. This isn't passive at first, but your posts stay online. So even a comment you posted last week might earn you a commission next week. That's how the income can slowly start becoming passive over time. To get the most out of this method, follow these simple but powerful tips. 1. Be genuinely helpful, add real value. People can smell spam from a mile away. 2. Don't paste links everywhere. Choose places where people are actually looking for solutions. 3. Use link shorteners like bit.ly or Rebrandly to clean up your links and track clicks. 4. Focus on one niche at a time. Whether it's fitness, finance, or dating, stick to one to build authority. 5. Stay consistent, set aside just 30 minutes a day. It adds up quickly. 6. Use ChatGPT to rewrite the material. This keeps your posts unique and avoids duplicate content flags. The key is to look like a helpful friend, not a desperate marketer. This won't make you rich overnight. If you expect thousands of dollars by the weekend, you'll be disappointed. But if you treat it like a real side hustle, show up daily, be consistent, and post helpful answers, it works. There are real people out there who started with just one affiliate link and now make thousands per month. The difference? They didn't stop. They kept posting, kept helping, and kept growing. You don't need fancy software, no website, no paid ads. Just a few free platforms, copy-paste content, and a bit of consistency. Bonus tip: how to scale it later. Once you get the hang of it, you can scale this up. Here's how. Start your own free blog using WordPress or Blogger and publish rewritten content with affiliate links. Post YouTube Shorts or TikToks using the same scripts from the affiliate resources. Collect emails and build a simple email list using free tools like MailChimp. Use the email templates provided to follow up. Join more niche forums or platforms where your audience hangs out. Each new platform is a new income stream. You could even offer to help others do this and charge a small fee. Basically copy-paste freelancing. The possibilities grow with your effort. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more beginner-friendly ways to make money online. I keep things simple, clear, and actionable. No fluff, no hype, just real strategies that work even if you're starting from scratch. And here's something extra. If you want a free list of 5 high-paying affiliate programs that are perfect for beginners, just drop a comment below that says, "Copy and paste," and I'll reply with the link. These programs pay well, convert fast, and don't require you to build a website or invest any money. Remember, you don't need to be a tech wizard, a professional marketer, or have thousands of followers. You just need a little consistency and the discipline to take action. So what are you waiting for? Pick a product, grab the pre-written content, paste it where people are looking for answers, and start earning. The strategy is simple, the tools are free, and the opportunity is right in front of you. The internet is always open. And starting today, so is your chance to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends for weekly money-making hacks you won't want to miss.